we're going to be talking about like something called sequences. So sequences are like an important part of math, and basically what a sequence is like a sequence is like exactly what it sounds like, right? A sequence is just kind of like a list of numbers you can kind of think of, right? So uh like the list 2, 5, like 10, 101 is considered like a sequence. And for example, square root 2, pi, like 2.7 and like 5 or something. This is another sequence. So like clearly like the definition of a sequence is like very broad, right? Like basically like any list of numbers is considered a sequence. So but like in math, like we're gonna today focus on like two of the most important sequences, uh, which are called arithmetic and geometric sequences. Uh, so arithmetic and geometric sequences are like very important sequences in math. So I think we should like talk about them. Yeah, so let's first talk about like arithmetic sequences. So in uh an arithmetic sequence is defined as like a sequence in which the common difference, like the difference between consecutive terms, is always the same. So, for example, the sequence like 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. This is a sequence, but this is also an arithmetic sequence. And what that means is like between any two terms, uh, there's like a common difference, right? When to get from 1 to 4, you add 3. Uh, and to get from 4 to 7, you add 3. 7 to 10 is add 3. So notice that like the difference between consecutive terms is always 3. And this is like what we call an arithmetic sequence, where the difference between consecutive terms is always the same. And this number 3 in this case is like uh we give it a special name since it's like important. So you'll often hear it referred to as like the common difference of a sequence. Um, Yeah, so in this case, you could refer to this sequence as the sequence with first term 1 and common difference 3. You could say that. Yeah, so this is like a very basic example of what an arithmetic sequence is.